Hi everyone, welcome to Tablescape Thursday. Today I'm going to be doing a French farmhouse tablescape here on my dining room table with a touch of bling. I thought I'd bring a little bit of bling in here since my chandelier, which you can't see right now up above here, has it's all crystals. So, and of course I did a little bit of bling with my silver and glass going on in here. So these are the napkin rings that I'm going to be using. I got these at Pier 1, and I think this is just the right amount of touch of bling for this table. So let's get started. So for this tablescape, I thought I would mainly use what I did for my previous one. And I am going to be using these burlap chargers again. And I got these at Tuesday morning a couple years ago. They're just black plastic ones that they glued some burlap on. You could make these yourself real easy. So like I said, I'm just going to be putting those around, and then I'm also going to be using my mother's white ironstone plates. I have the salad plates in the centerpiece, so I'm just going to be using the dinner plates, no salad plates today. So I'm going to go ahead and set the chargers on here, and then I will be putting the white plates on too. Now that I've got the chargers, I will be placing the white plates on here. And like I said, I already have the salad plates in my centerpiece, so I'm just going to be using the white plates only. Then I will be putting my napkins on top of the plates. So what I'm using for my napkins, of course, these are another Pier 1. I bought these a few years back. I actually bought them all at the same time because I thought that these napkin rings did coordinate with the colors in the trim. I know it'll be hard to see. It's kind of a, not really gold. I'm not sure what you would call it. More like an antique brass looking to me, and then the silver, which you kind of have the two different colors in here. And then of course it has the little pearls. And this is more like a linen, so I like this. This looks a little farmhouse-ish to me with the bling. Just gonna be putting them on simple, really simple on here. I guess I'm trying to do a simple tablescape here today. So just gonna be placing these on top. And you know what, these actually look, let me show you, bring this up here, how this really coordinates with the burlap. You get that bling. I can hold it there. I think that looks really nice. And of course I will be doing some close-ups here. So I'm going to finish putting the napkins on, and then I'll be putting the glasses on the table. Again, I'm going to be using these glasses. Now they have a honeycomb design on them, which I bought these to use with my bee-themed tablescapes. But you know, the honeycomb here mimics chicken wire. So I think this is also good to do, use these for farmhouse tablescapes. So I'm just going to be placing these around, and then I'm going to get out the silverware. Now that I have everything on the table here, I'm going to take the camera off of the tripod, and we'll go around the table a little bit, and you get to see how my whole dining room turned out. So I think this turned out really nice, and I think that the trim on the napkins coordinates quite nicely with the color of the burlap. Just something really simple here. I think it all ties in with my centerpiece. I have a little bit of bling going on in here. And then of course, the chandelier is my big bling ticket in the room. Let's go over to the buffet. Now I did add one more piece in here. Now this is that piece that I got at the Goodwill, and I cleaned it up. And I thought I'd stick it in here because I was just missing the little bit of glass element, even though I got some glass going on the sconces here. And I'm going to come down here real quick. Nothing's really decorated down here, but I just wanted to show my tea set. Excuse the big mess. I normally have my lamps up there, but I wanted the topiaries this time, so I just kind of shoved them down here for now. I want to show this tea set that was my mother's, and because I have a lot of people say, oh, I like how your silver is tarnished. It looks really nice when you decorate with it, because it really does. And this has a beautiful rainbow color to it. I'm leaving it as is, because I'm going to be using this on the buffet when fall comes around, because I think that will tie in nicely with all the colors. But you know, because it is pretty. I think this is much prettier than just a bright silver color. As you can see, all my pieces have tarnish to them. Just gives it character, I think. So let's pan over here. Now, this is that chippy cabinet that I like to put on my buffet. And this is my biggest wall space in here, besides, of course, where my mirror and my sconces are, because I don't really have wall space in here. And unfortunately, the buffet is the hutch is way too big to sit over here. So I was thinking about hanging the little cabinet thing up here. And this little table here was one of my mother's tables, and this was around since I was little, as far as I can remember, and it has been moved a lot, and it has seen better days. It is getting all chipped up and everything. So I thought I would paint it to match the little cabinet here. Then, like I said, I'm going to hang the cabinet up a little bit higher. So this gives me more area to decorate. So I think I'll be painting this table here pretty soon. It doesn't take too long to paint this small of an item. And of course, back over here at my hutch, I haven't changed anything on here. I was going to add a rooster up there, one of my small ones, but haven't done that yet. I might put one in here. But I am loving the white glass and the silver in the dining room. And as you can see, I have not gotten the hutch or the buffet painted yet. I might have to wait until more winter, because this will take a long time to paint both of these pieces. But like I said, I will get this table done and the cabinet hung up there, and then I can do a little more decorating in here. Back up just a little bit. All right, so this is how my dining room has turned out. Well, that's going to do it for the Tablescape today. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would just love for you to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you hit the bell to get all the notifications of my new videos coming up. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to have a video up tomorrow. I'm still working on a bunch of projects, of course. I'm in the middle of everything. It seems like I do 2 or 3 things at the same time. So I still need to get finished up in my formal living room over here. So hopefully I can get some kind of decorating video in there tomorrow morning. So we'll see. So I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.